pa namumulaklak yung mga dating orchids na mamaalam na aling pinakabago na orchids. I'm really very sad. Tatlo na lang sila. Baga kahapon, 6 pa hira. Ngayon, 3 na lang. Huwag naman kayong biglang mamaalam. Wala pang bagong mga flower. Sana mayroon na. Hindi ko kasi kayo nabibilihan ng vitamins. Hello, nice. It's nice. I think they're getting healthier. Hello, money tree. And this the other one. Oh, this is still the mushroom. Thank you, Jesus, for all of the plants and flowers. Nakakatuwa po sila. Thank you for the rains, for cooling the earth, and for dilig-dilig the plants. Look, I like them. Nasaan na ba yun? Alam na gusto kong parang malunggay. Waray manira dindi. Ayan. Nagtanim na ako dito ng kangkong. Thank you. This one. Ang dami na sila. And this one, I like you very much. Gaganda ng plants. Thank you, Jesus. This one is dying already. Kawawa naman. And I have this new one here. White one. Ito, I think this is already. This bud is also white. This one nice. This one too. Okay. From Cariguzan, San Miguel. Okay, bye-bye.